today I'm going to shop for stuff I need for our trip because we leave tomorrow. Super excited. Woo! Look at that footwork. Ooh, ah, whoa, whoa, hello, woo! Hey guys, so we're at the church now. Chick-fil-A iced coffee, so good. 10 out of 10 recommend. Just hanging out with my wet, just kinking, whatever it's called. Can't pronounce the first name. Well, I'm going to show you guys the Christmas decorations in here because it's very festive. We have a wreath of Franklin. We have a Christmas tree, Rex. We have some ferns. Yeah, I don't have one for that. Juju! Hi! Party time! Mom's not in here. Party time! Okay.
What I'm doing?
Because we all know that pineapple belongs on pizza. It does. Guys, it's raining so hard. It's a beanie.
I want him to try this on. You're gonna look cute.
What is it, Dakota?
It's a bearded dragon.
Brooke, I think I'm just gonna lend her some chocolate. Brooke,
What?
that's so evil of you. You'll never guess who I saw a few weeks ago. You should tie some pad thai. Ooh, this is good. Disney and Destiny. Hey Mom, I already bought a vacuum cleaner. Mom, you know this game? You are terrifying me. You can't even Play-Doh. So I'm back at home. I have a major hat here right now. I'm going to get packed, finish packing, because we leave really early tomorrow. While I'm packing, I'm going to FaceTime a friend, because I do have friends. Yay! The lighting is so weird right now, but that's all I'm going to vlog for today. See you guys tomorrow when we leave. Woo!